Welcome back guys, this is Nikhil and in this video let's see what are dictionaries in Python. If you are familiar with hash or map functions from other languages like C++ or Java, then it would be really easy to know what are dictionaries in Python. So dictionary consists of keys and values in pair. First let's see how to create an empty dictionary. To create an empty dictionary, first we need to create a variable. Let's set it 1 equals to curly braces with nothing written in it. This is how we create an empty dictionary. Let's try to print it out. Print it 1. As you can see the output, it gives an empty dictionary. Dictionaries with keys and values are created by placing sequence of elements within curly braces separated by comma. As dictionary is mutable, we can change this dictionary. Let's see how. Let's say take 1 equals to, this is a key separated by colon, and this is value. Let's say, and if you want to give the next key and the value, then we need to use semicolon. And now let's say another key. Let's say phone number. Now let's try to print the dictionary. So here name is key and value is Nikhil. To get the length of the dictionary, just type print length of dict 1. As you can see the output is 2. It's because there's only 2 pairs. This is the one and the other one is this. Now let's try to print only keys from dictionary. Keys in the sense only name and phone number. To do that we need to use a for loop. Now you don't need to worry about for loops. We will discuss about this in later videos. To do that, type for I in dict1 dot keys. Sorry, this should be colon. Print I. As you can see, it shows an indentation error. To avoid all this, we'll use ideally text editor. Say new file. Let's try to print the same thing. Dict1 equals to kill and using the same for loop, fry in dict 1 dot keys colon print I. Now you need to save this file. Let's say dictionary, and it is saved in documents folder with .py format. Save the file, and now we need to go to terminal. As it is saved in documents folder, type cd documents, and now python 3 space dictionary.py. As you can see the output, it's name and phone number. There are only keys. We can also get values from dictionary. To do that, open your ideally, and here instead of keys type values, save the file and go to terminal or command prompt. Use the same syntax, python 3 space filename.py. Now we can see the values Nikhil and these integers. Now to get both keys and values, go to the file and type and use the method called items. To get both keys and values, we need to use two variables, let's say I and j, and to print I and j. Save the file, go to terminal or command prompt, use the same syntax, python 3 space filename.py, and you can see the output. This is the key and its value, and this is the key and its value. And if you want to check whether a particular key is present in the dictionary or not, open your python file, type if, let's say key name is present in the dictionary, then print yes. Now save the file, go back to command prompt or terminal, type the same syntax, python 3 space filename.py, enter, and the output is yes. It's because the key name is present in the dictionary.
I'm in love with the cocoa.